Hey everybody, this is James from mantripping.com. We are on the brand spanking new Norwegian Encore in Miami Cruise Port. And I'll flip this around. Here's the, oh, look at all the fish down there. I don't know if you can actually see that. There's a ton of fish. Somebody must have just thrown some stuff down there. But anyhow, here's the cruise port. And we are in cabin 9144. This is the balcony. There's the room over here. This is a balcony, standard balcony cabin. Let's flip it around a little bit so you can see the balcony a little bit better. It's a nice size, comes with 2 chairs. The chairs are able to move around comfortably. So you got plenty of room to sit out and watch the world go by. Or you can just sit there and face your partner, your friend, your son, your daughter. I don't know what you're going to face, but whatever you're going to face, it's going to be a wonderful day here on Norwegian Encore. So Norwegian Encore is the final one of their Breakaway Plus class ships, and it is the pinnacle of design for what they've been trying to do on that. One thing I really like is that they've got these new bottled water. Yep, that's right, bottled water, not bottles anymore, because Norwegian's going green. These are fully recyclable, and they are certified B Corporation. I'm not sure what that means. But anyhow, it's going green, and that's good, because we love the ocean. We love our sea turtles. So this is what the room looks like. It's got a bed, which I believe folds out here. Or maybe it doesn't fold out, but it's got perfect for a cot. Or if you have been drinking too much and you don't want to bother your wife or partner in bed, that works that way too. It's got Norwegian standard smart channel stuff, where you can select different stuff. Let's see here. Going to do shore excursion, cruise rewards. You can view about that stuff and all sorts of other stuff. I'm not going to bore you guys with that. But really good storage. You got tons of storage down here. Storage down here. Ooh, room service and bar. Let's check that out. So you got the breakfast service continues to be free on Norwegian, but you're going to pay extra for specialty selections if you want a ham and cheese omelet. That's a $7.95 convenience charge. But lots of stuff in here. Norwegian always did a great job on food, except for they haven't had good pizza in our last couple times, so hopefully that changes. Nice chair right here. I like the fact that Norwegian has these chairs which also double as a table, because you can take that off right there, and otherwise it's a chair for you. Also, the other thing that's nice about Norwegian is that they have nice 3 outlets right there. Otherwise, it's a fairly standard Norwegian modern balcony cabin. It's got USB plugs right there, plus the ability, you can turn that on, or you can turn that on, in case you want to, and then that thing I think goes as well. Well, that's what it is, for reading. And the bed, and the bathroom. And this is one of the things that I know a lot of you guys are messaging me about, because you see that I'm a big guy, and you say, hey James, I'm a big dude, am I going to be able to be comfortable in the bathroom? And short answer is no, it's a cruise ship. But as far as cruise ship bathrooms go, I was actually pretty happy with this one, because if you look here, despite the fact it's in a corner, you've got this curvature of the shower right there, and actually makes it not as bad as it could be if it was a straight line. So similarly, the shower comes out more than I expected it to, because a lot of showers are just kind of a hemispherical, but this actually is not too bad. So with that all being said, that's my quick cabin review of stateroom 9144. Thank you very much for Norwegian Encore inviting us on there for the inaugural cruise, and I will post a link to my longer article about why guys would love sailing on Norwegian Encore very soon. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Bye-bye.